It is very important to consider the types of devices that are part of your network, whether it's a bring your own device or a corporate device. All sorts of security aspects and the ways you would access your applications. Your applications, they can be web-based applications, they can be mainframe-based applications, and they can be client-server-based applications. How do you publish them? How do you access them? So all these considerations needs to be taken into account, including the VPN, the bandwidth, the VDI type access, to ensure your workforce is efficient and can deliver the outcomes to your business. We've got a number of ways to deliver data to employees. We can utilize NASes for file serving or unstructured data. We can utilize storage area networks or SANs to provision both file as well as block storage. We can utilize different means of delivery of this storage, whether it's hyperconverged, three-tiered, or two-tiered architecture, storage architecture, to actually you can ensure that you serve out these applications. We need to take into consideration the performance profiles of different applications that we need to deliver utilizing this storage infrastructure, whether it's on-prem or remotely. Another very important thing we need to consider is what type of backup storage architecture is to be considered. Whether it's tape method of offloading this for compliance purposes, whether it's disk that you write to for operational recovery, or whether it's S3 targets that you utilize for very cold storage, for something that is possibly 6+ months old, where you would have access, but possibly it will not be as fast as the primary storage tier to perform your recoveries. It is extremely important for our customers to also make considerations around capacity trending and planning. The first recommendation is absolutely ensure that you're below the watermark, below the 80% target. Majority of storage arrays stop performing at their usual levels of performance if you exceed the 80% watermark. Another very important thing is estimate the change rates on your storage infrastructure and ensure that you've got at least 6 months worth of storage capacity pre-planned and available for any situations. The issue is that during the crisis, the supply chains are broken, and therefore it can be challenging and problematic to actually source this equipment during these times. What tends to happen is your applications guys, your infrastructure team leaders and technical staff, they're more focused on application delivery. And the backup becomes the secondary task for them to accomplish, which tends to mean that certain backup issues, certain backup jobs that need to be accomplished are shifted to the next day or to the next week. Now, utilizing a managed service organization allows you to bring this methodology to ensure that all this is addressed in the most efficient, automated fashion. And what you would find, many managed services, backup managed services organization tend to automate and ensure that these tasks are delivered more efficiently, and therefore, possibly, it is more cost effective to utilize external resources.